So this is a very simple video on how to set up the Renko chart properly so you can actually read it, because nobody else on the internet is actually making any videos exactly on how to set up a Renko chart. And it's really important, because if you don't do it the proper way, it will actually not give you all the good information that you're looking for. So currently, this is how you get the Renko chart, I guess, once you just gonna open it up. These are all the settings, and let's go setting by setting and see why it doesn't really make sense to look at it as it is. So the first thing is it's usually on the either 1 minute or the 30 minutes chart. Now, what it means is very simply, if the price stays above this level, let's say over here where the green box is not fully colored, if it stays above this level for 30 minutes, only then this box will be created, right? So this is not good for us. Basically, what it means is if the price goes up for 29 minutes and then goes below it for 1 minute, this box will not be created. And this is not something we want, right? We want the price to create the box as soon as the price, or the chart to create the box as soon as the price reaches there. This is why you'll need to always choose the 1 second option. Because when we have a 1 second option, basically as soon as the price reaches the price, it will create a new box. And let's see if we can see an example right now. So you can see the price just reach it really quickly. The price is over here, and obviously the box is created. So this will give you the most accurate information that you can get. And again, nobody talks about this, and it took us a while to figure it out, because Renko charts are really useful only if you use them correctly with the correct setting. So this is setting number 1. This is the simplest one, and it will save you a lot of headache, and you will be able to see the actual price action and not what it looks like after 30 minutes if the price stayed above a certain level. Second thing is we'll go here, click more, and we'll go to the settings. So this is, I guess, a preference. Some people want to have the wicks, some people don't. I personally don't have the wicks, so what it does is it just removes the spikes, the wicks. I don't keep it. I like it cleaner this way, but if you do end up keeping the wicks, it just kind of shows you what happened when the price went a bit over the boxes. Now, for the source, you have to change it from close to open, high, low, close. So again, this will show you actually what happens, and not only what happened when the price was closed. Another big thing is the box size assignment. So how much points is each box, right? So currently it's just on the average true range, which is not something we want, basically, because it means the average true range at the length of 14 will change basically, maybe every day. And then your Renko chart will look different every day because the box size will be different. So if you go to traditional, then we can choose the box size. It will be a fixed box size. So for NQ, a box size of 10 is what we use most of the year. It's a pretty good box size. And if we just click OK, let's see what it looks like. So it looks way cleaner. And again, we said we are not using the wicks, but I just want to show you what it looks like with the wicks on. So with the wicks, you can see it just simply adds those spikes where price reached and retraced. And again, you can keep it. It does give you quite a bit more information. If you take it away, it just looks exactly the same, just without the wicks. And we have a pretty clean chart. And this is it for the settings. They're really simple, but you gotta do it. If you don't get accurate information. So here we can see clear breakouts to the upside because we use the box size 10. The price doesn't just move so quickly that nobody can react, and we can see clear trends, clear breaking of trends, so on and so forth. And it's just beautiful to look at and trace based upon. And we have developed a few bots that take advantage of this really easily read chart. And if you're interested, check them in the description and join our Discord completely for free. There's a lot of useful information there, and a lot of people are having some pretty good results with the bots, including ourselves. So if you're interested, either email us or join below, and you can message us on Discord. But this is it for this video. Hopefully it was pretty useful for you guys. I can only see, hopefully this is one of the better videos out there that explain how to set up the Renko chart properly, and it will provide some value to you and eventually make you money in the future. Thank you again, and we will catch you in the next one.